are now ready to prepare cooking tempe kriuk. Tempe
Dibagi
kriuk.
4.
Crispy.
Crispy, tempe crispy. Divided into 4. The teacher is Pak Benny Hoki Tempe.
Simple.
Terus digoreng.
Diberi bumbu. Nanti langsung digoreng.
Can you make it?
Ayo coba.
Let's go.
Dia ada preparing bumbu, Pak Benny. Bumbu ini corona bumbu, garam itu rehab menyiapkan bumbu.
Iya.
Rehab sih mau motong nih Rehab.
Oh sorry Nur preparing bumbu.
What is bumbu?
The spices. Air panas ya.
Panas bisa, dingin bisa.
Sudah.
Udah itu aja.
No, I'm more than 4.
The teacher did
I'm such a quick student, so make it quick. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, Pak, you sudah.
Oh yeah, get accustomed
But
to
it's
doing.
okay. We can do this. You can do it every day.
Saya bumbunya.
Bumbunya hanya itu.
Iya. Lame apa?
Ini too big, too big. Nggak sama.
Kok enak-enak ya resiko mati.
Bumbunya itu ya.
Ya bumbunya memang aku nak gawe ngono kuwi.
Oh ya. Oke. Pokoknya depend on the Mr. Teacher. Yes.
Yes.
No. With the plastic, yeah.
Okay, I can wait for Luigi.
No, you make it.
Give me yours, Luigi.
1 second, princess. Yes, there is one. Oh yeah. I guess the more, the better, because
What you will do after? Burger.
you try.
What's like special thing?
The special thing is that
It will be crispy.
it will be crispy
Very big proportion for frying.
and not.
Of course,
Start frying.
Jangan murah
Wait, let's finish.
Small ini.
Let's finish like all this and then we go all that. Otherwise, we start and somebody else is not.
it's still very tiny.
Semua ya, Pak.
Wait.
Jangan murah.
Let me
Maybe
try.
at 5.
Itu wadah lho.
Enggak. Divided the middle first. Middle. Nah.
Itu digawe separuh ndak apa-apa.
Oh, separuh newe ben garingnya gampang Pak Beni.
Ngono, ya ndak
Sigar
apa-apa.
newe Pak RT ben separuh newe.
Oh iya.
Ora apa-apa. Kan matangnya lebih cepat gitu, Pak.
Iya. So make it like this. Make it like
This
this.
is cooking, not handicraft.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Like this.
Oh no.
Like
No
this.
kecil one.
Ya, ya Pak Benny.
Ya.
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 Ben cepat garingnya toh.
Oh.
Jadinya pengen
Itu-
cepat.
After.
Tapi bisa yang apa yang tipis juga.
Iya bisa, tipis lagi bisa.
Tipis lagi juga.
Bisa.
Tapi nanti
Oh, nanti kosong.
Oh, nanti kosong.
No, no, no.
You cut here, and then you got
No, kosong. You know kosong. Kosong, you know.
No.
Full.
That's it. You will do the kecil one. I don't know.
Ayo Nur.
Done already, done.
Ya, we uji juga.
Ready. So start frying.
Yeah.
Oh, Luigi, this is
So we
the.
cut it in the middle, like this.
You can. But I would like to have the big
This
one.
is the
for
waist of
one.
tempe, like what I said this morning.
Where?
The waist, the waist.
Oh, the waist.
Ah.
Oh, still very long time for that.
Oh, senang masak Pak, si Rigbal.
Ya, they have
Righal
senang.
senang.
Ya. Mereka semua senang masak. Ini juga.
Senang masak.
Oh, good cook ini. Ya,
Yeah.
senang masak semua. Jadi biarkan mereka masak. Sabar. Itu sabar.
Sabar. Inna waha ma'asobirin ngono ya.
Ini bahasa Arab.
Sobirin.
Nah, paham.
Masobirin.
Eh,
Tempe apa dunia apa nih Pak? Tempe apa ini?
Kriuk
Oh, tempe kriuk ya.
tambah lagi masih kosong.
Oh gini.
Tambah satu lagi.
Tambah satu lagi, please.
Sampai warnanya nanti brown.
Sampai warnanya nanti
Gelembungnya
coklat.
nanti gelembungnya sampai hilang. Ini kok kepedut iya kita. Taruh situ ya.
Gimana?
Ini bohong. Apa spices?
Hah?
Spices.
Bumbu.
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 Ini ngasih kok diwale kasih brown.
Bumbu.
Masih brown.
Yo, aku tak ngerti kae.
Nggih, niki
Daluk bumbu, bumbu.
Bumbu apa?
Rihal minta bumbu.
Water with salt.
Udah anu bae.
That's it.
And
And
MSG and then
turn after it's getting brown.
Yeah.
Baru dibalik, getting brown dibalik. Nah, because this small fire, so we have to be patient to wait. Ini so the secret of crispy is small fire ini. Jadi kalau goreng tempe yang cepat itu, tapi ini
full of
small fire.
Pak, gelembungnya ngasih hilang.
Oh, ini tidak ada gelembung lagi.
Nanti tonjone wis
Pap,
crispy.
no bab anymore, and then turn.
Dibolak-balik ya.
Bolak balik berapa kali?
Yo.
Lihat.
Kira-kira feeling.
Feeling.
No masak. Oh.
Frying tempe.
masih.
Masih belum matang, belum dibulat.
Yeah, wait. Because we have to be patient. Mr. Teacher said that.
Yeah.
This
Ini,
master
the
chef
secret is small
from
fire.
Tunisia, Miss Nur and Miss Rihan.
When you finish frying tempe,
This-
frying tofu.
The challenge is masak tempe kriuk. Yeah.
No, it is okay. Balik up dan kalau sudah brown.
Browning ngisor lho Pak, orang dhuwur lho.
Ya itu dicek sama anak.
Iya Pak. Yes.
jahat.
Master chef for Italiano.
And the tahu juga.
Turn into like a brown.
After they will keep it like this or cutting.
No cutting. Just turn and turn.
Sedikit-sedikit.
Nanti memang crispy-nya di situ. Memang take long, should be patient, harus sabar. Small fire.
You see?
Oh, be careful Nur, hot.
Yeah. It's like this.
Terus bumbunya dong, Bu. Oh, belum ngasih
Oh,
bumbu.
bumbu.
Oh, diangkat lagi aja. Tadi belum kasih bumbu lagi. Coba itu,
Harus bumbu.
kasih bumbu dulu. Ini belum kasih bumbu ya?
Ini
Yang
ada.
Oh, itu ada.
Ini yang belum.
Nur, kalau mau lihat lonjong masak tempe,
Ya.
beli masak tempe.